hello, hello, guys. It's me, Miss A-N-N-I-E. Yes, it's me, child, it's me, Miss Annie. And boy, have I got a really cool Memorial Day or any kind of day cool balloon tutorial just for you. This is a 14-inch Mylar balloon. Say that with me, Mylar. If you said Mylar, let me hear you. Give yourselves a hand. And this is self-sealing. So when you inflate it, and I have already done that, you will not have to worry about sealing it to keep the air inside. So what I want to do today is show you a little something in my design menu board using this beautiful blue 260. Because it's Memorial Day weekend, I wanted to have something that was very special, and as you can see, I am color coordinated. Yes, honey, I want my hamburger because it was a family picnic, cookout, or whatever you want to call it. But at any rate, I am going to use only 2 balloons with, as you saw, my hand inflator. Balloons under 9-inch will not float. Mylar balloons that are under 18 inches will not float. So keep that in mind. Latex balloons that are round, the only way that they float with helium is that they are 9 inches. And so it is with Mylar. They have to be what? At least 18 inches in order for them to float when you put helium in it. I think it's something like 17 or 18 inches. But at any rate, that's just a little science for you. I'm making 3 series of loops, and that's 1. And you simply bend it and use your eye and your hand coordination to make them the same size. And you're going to do that 1 more time, like that. Happy Memorial Day to you all as we commemorate the lives of those who have gone before us, the soldiers, the wonderful family members. My cousin made me bracelets for my sister and my brother, as they certainly have passed away. We remember them, and my dog, Keon, she had these made, a little dog paw. My brother, he was a barber, so she had different little things on there for him. And my sister, she liked really nice jewelry, so she had a butterfly made for her. So we commemorate the lives of those who have passed away, and I have popped my balloon. So hold on a second, guys, I'll be back. Got another one. So I am just taking this flap right here and inserting it in the center of this balloon. These balloons have been outside for a couple of hours, and just wrapping it around and the inside of that so that it stays put and in place. And I'm just going to wrap it around just a little to tighten it up. Isn't that cute? And if you don't do another thing to it, that's pretty much all you need to do, guys. And the kids will walk around and Let their man in space fly, fly, fly. Or if you wanted to, you could bend it and make a bracelet. That's another variation to this. So let's make the bracelet, bending it, and it fits on any child's wrists very easily, because when the weather is windy, and especially in the summer months, these are the balloons that I will be featuring for a limited time for different people, but I just wanted to show you the tutorial for today. Okay, all right. And so they can easily put their little hand in it, and that's a wrap. Bada bing, bada bam. I hope this tutorial was a blessing to you. These come in groups of about 20, so you can really get a lot of things done. They have crabs, they have dolphins, they have other things of interest that you may want to check out on Amazon. And there you have it. All you need is a latex balloon paired with it, and you've got yourself what? Creativity. Yes, honey. So give yourselves a hand if you're going to try that. The idea of it all is to bring to the community great and creative things so that they will have creative and what? Lasting memories from the venue that they have visited. Have a safe, a blessed, and wonderful Memorial Day, and hats off to all who have served. We give you much respect and a moment of silence. And our hearts are definitely with the families who have lost their loved ones and who have served in whatever capacity, whether it was war or whether it was, any other way of serving our country. We want to thank you and thank God for them. We want you all to be encouraged and know that we are praying for you. Have a blessed Memorial Day. Bye-bye.